Practice set 29. First one. If 20 meters of cloth cost rupees 3600, find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. So in given, what we'll write? Cost of 20 meter cloth equal to 3600. What we have to find? Cost of 16 meter cloth. Solution. Now what are the two aspects? Cost and cloth. So the cost and the cloth. So 20 meter cloth cost 3600. 16 meter cloth will cost X. Now using cross multiplication, 3600 into 16 equal to 20 into X. 20 will go on to other side and becomes division. 0 0 cut, 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16. 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 24 plus 4 28. So cost of 16 meter cloth is rupees 2880. Let's see next. Find the cost of 8 kg of rice if the cost of 10 kg is 325. Question 2. Now all sums are similar to one another. Basically, what is given? Cost of 10 kg rice is how much? 325. What we have to find? Cost of 8 kg rice. So solution. Again, what are the aspects? Cost and rice. So 10 kg rice costs 325. So 8 kg rice will cost how much? We'll take X. Again, cross multiplication. 10 into X equal to 325 into 8. 10 will go on to other side and it will go in the denominator. 2 5s are 2 4s are 5 1s are 5 65s are. So X equal to 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. Value of X is 260. Yes, now below you can write the answer statement. Same cost of 8 kg rice is 260 rupees. Okay, question number 3, question number 7, 8. As you all can see, I have already marked 3, 7 and 8 are for homework. So I am moving on to the fourth sum. It says the weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? So in given, weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What we have to find? Weight of 1080 boxes. Solution. Now what are the aspects? Weight and boxes. So 30 boxes weighs 6 kg. The 1080 boxes will weigh how much? Cross multiplication. 30 into x, 6 into 1080. 0 0 cut. 1 za, 2 za. 2 8 za 16. 2 1s are 2. The answer is 216 kg. Weight of 1080 boxes is 216 kilogram. Let's see next. Fifth one. A car traveling at a uniform speed covers a distance of 165 km in 3 hours. Uniform speed means same speed. It's not changing. So in 3 hours, it is covering 165 kilometers at that same speed. How long will it take to cover 330 kilometers? How far will it travel in 8 hours? So there are two parts, A part and B part. Okay, so we have to solve accordingly. So what is given basically? Car covers distance in 3 hours. How much distance it is covering? 165 kilometer. To find, there are two parts in to find. First, time taken to cover 330 kilometer. This is first. And second, distance covered in 8 hours. So in 330 kilometers, how much time will be required? And in 8 hours, how much distance will be covered? We have to find two different things. In first part, we have to find time. In second part, we have to find distance. Okay? And this is same. 3 hours, 165 kilometers. This applies to both the question. So solution, in solution also we'll start with A. Now A, again the aspects are same, time and distance. So what is given? 165 kilometer is the distance. In how much time? 3 hours. So 330 kilometers in how much time? X. Cross multiplication. 165 into x, 3 into 330. When you check this, 165 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 13, 2 1s are 2, 3. Okay, so 165 multiplied by 2 gives 330. So we can cut this. 165 1s are, 165 2s are. So therefore x is how much? 3 into 2, 6 hours. Basically 330 kilometer distance will be covered in 6 hours. Now B part. Again time and distance. So 165 kilometer in 3 hours. So in 8 hours, how much? That is the second part. So 3 into x, 165 into 8. 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 3 5s are. 8 5s are 40, 44. So in 8 hours, how much kilometer, how much distance will be covered? 440 kilometer. Now answer part, I want you all to write full statement, both A and B. This is basically full sum. With given to find. Let's see next question. A tractor uses 12 liters of diesel while plowing 3 acres of land. How much diesel will be needed to plow 19 acres of land? Okay, mark 9 sum also. No, 9 sum I will do. 7 and 8 is homework. Okay, so 6 sum. Given diesel used to plow 3 acres of land. How much diesel is used? 12 liters. To find diesel used to plow 19 acres of land. Solution. What are the aspects? Diesel and land. So 12 liter diesel for 3 acre land. So for 19 acres land, X. 3 into X, 12 into 19. 3 ones are 3 fours are. 19 fours are 76 liters. Okay. Now for every sum I want you all to frame the answer statement. Coming on to the last sum, question number 9. A pond in a field holds 1,20,000 liters of water. It cost 18,000 rupees to make such a pond. Means to make this pond, it was costing 18,000 rupees. How many ponds will be required to store 4,80,000 liters of water, and what would be the expense? Okay. So basically first thing we have to find, there are two things which we have to find. How many ponds? If in one pond 1,20,000 liters of water is there, so to hold 4,80,000 liters of water, how many ponds we have to make, and what would be the expense? Let me show you diagrammatically. So this is a pond, and in this pond 1,20,000 liters of water can be stored, or it can hold 1,20,000 liters of water. To make such pond, 18,000 rupees is the expense. Okay. Now we have 4,80,000 liters of water. So how many ponds will be required? 1 pond, 2 ponds, 3 ponds. We have to find that, and what will be the costing. Okay. So given, what is given? Cost to make 1 pond holding 1,20,000 liters water is how much? 18,000 rupees. What we have to find? We have to find two things. First, number of ponds to hold 4,80,000 liters of water. Second, we have to find cost to make such ponds. Solution. A part. So the number of ponds, basically We will divide it. 4,80,000 divided by 1,20,000. So all zeros will be cut. 12 ones are, 12 fours are. So how many pawns can we make? 4 pawns. B part. What will be the cost? Cost to make 4 pawns. So if 1 pond is costing 18,000, so 4 ponds will cost how much? 18,000 into 4, that is 76, no, 30, 72,000, sorry, 72,000 rupees. Okay, so this sum is a bit different from rest of the sum. So here are the answers and you have to frame the answer statement as I said before. Okay, so we are done with the practice set and the chapter.